We all know parenting's not easy. We all know it's even harder when our child demands of us tools and strategies and process that we don't really have innately. At Effective Ever Consulting, we help parents work with their children. And whether your child is ADHD, twice exceptional, dyslexic, or all of the above, we help parents parent with the brain in mind. Through a non judgmental and flexible process and individualized, we help parents start to connect with their children and improve communication, executive function skills, and problem solving skills within the home. We have three different models that we talk about. We have an individual model and we have two group models. One is called a new book club, and the other one's called Parenting with the Brain in Mind. Let us know if we can help you to help your child. Using evidence-based tools developed by Dan Siegel, Payne Bryson, and Ross Green, EEC coaches take parents through a systematic process of improving their relationships and communication with their children. So many of our clients think outside the box and do not fit the mold of a typical structure of education and learning. They have gifts and strengths that are not acknowledged or promoted. Whether this child is ADHD, twice exceptional, dyslexic, or all of the above, they demand more of parents than a typical child. This is why parent coaching is so powerful. We believe that if a child could do better, then they would do better. This is an important principle because it allows us to see our child not for whom we think they are or for what we want them to be, but for where they are in that moment, socially, emotionally, and developmentally. This is a powerful shift in parenting because as we connect with our children and really understand and listen, we start to see their challenges more clearly. Our children start to feel heard and understood and therefore can start to connect and engage in solutions that they were not able to access before. Teaching parents how to connect with their child is the powerful first step in the coaching process. It helps their children break through any amygdala hijack cycles and start to develop a stronger neurological relationship with their frontal lobe. By approaching challenging situations and behaviors thoughtfully and deliberately, parents can instantly start to engage their child in meaningful interactions that promote problem solving and self-efficacy.